Let me ask you a question. If I asked you whether your vaginal discharge is normal or whether you're supposed to wash inside your vagina or whether your vagina even smells alright, the answer you are going to give me, are you sure about it? I have been able to dig through the entire internet and filter all the unnecessary noise in the internet just to make this video for you. Once you come online, there are so many people talking about the female health, women's health, and women's body, selling women also all manner of products, making videos falsifying evidences, and saying things that are totally false just to sell a product to you because the industry around women is a very large one. But on today's video, I'm going to be debunking so many of those myths and teaching you the correct things about your vagina. Hi everyone, my name is Nurse Goretti. I'm an ICU nurse working in Nigeria and also a US registered nurse. And on this channel, I bring you topics on nursing, feminine health, and lifestyle. If you're interested in any of these topics, kindly hit the subscribe button so that once I upload a new video, you will be notified. Number one, the vagina cleans itself. For you to understand this, you need to understand the anatomy of the female reproductive system. Now, the place that we generally know as the vagina is not actually the vagina. Take, for instance, this my hand. The outer part is the vulva. The vulva, like in this image right here. That is where you should wash. Yeah, that's just the skin. But inside the vagina, inside, that is where all manner of things comes out, even your menstrual period and everything comes out through the inside of the vagina, and that is where penetration occurs. You are not supposed to wash it because it is self cleansing. Do not mind all these people selling you all manner of products like douching products. Do not waste your money. You will just be harming your vagina by douching. The vagina contains healthy bacteria called lactobacillus, and they help to maintain the acidity of the vagina. Douching, not so much. Number two, your vagina should have discharge. Yes, your vagina has a normal discharge. It could be clear, it could be white, it could be stretchy like an egg white, it could be creamy in color. But a vagina without any form of discharge is a dry vagina, and it's also not good. Your vagina should have some discharge depending on the time of the month. That is, your menstrual cycle determines the type of discharge you will have. However, if you have a very strong fishy odor coming from your vagina, or even a greenish, black, reddish discharge from the vagina, you need to see a doctor for an examination, for a proper examination. Number three, every vagina has a scent. Please, every vagina has a scent. They should stop selling you scented perfume, scented this, smell good down there, this, da da da, da da da. Every vagina has a scent. Bear that in your mind. Before you waste your money to buy any products, bear in mind that your natural scent is your natural scent. And sometimes the smell of a vagina could be determined by the type of food that you ate. Yeah, it could influence the scent from your vagina. So before you buy any form of product to alter the balance already existing in your vagina, bear this in mind. Number 4, your vagina health changes. This is a reality we all have to accept. We don't acknowledge it enough, but it's there and it's natural. From puberty to adolescent to adulthood, motherhood, menopause, all these things come together to make up the womanhood. And it also contributes to the alterations that you may notice in your vagina. So, the next time you feel somehow down there, it's probably because you just gave birth or you are breastfeeding. Give yourself that grace. Yes. Number 5, avoid these mistakes. Avoid douching. Avoid wearing tight underwears. Avoid staying in wet underwears and even swimsuits. Avoid using scented perfumes down there. Of course, they're going to sell you all these things. They're going to sell you douching products, scented perfumes. They are going to try to sell it to you. But you should also know the truth for yourself. Number 6, pain during sex is not normal. Check it out. Go and check it out. You're having pains during intercourse. It's probably because you might have an infection or a pelvic floor injury or even endometriosis. But you need to get yourself examined if you have pain during intercourse. Number 7, do not skip cervical cancer screening. It's very important. It should be an annual procedure for you. Do your vaginal cancer pap smear. It is extremely important. Early detection leads to early treatment, which leads to better prognosis. Number 8, protect your vaginal health every day. Every day, the things that you do contribute to your overall vaginal health. Things like wiping from front to back, wearing breathable underwears, not douching, practicing safe sex. All these things come together to give you a good and healthy vagina. So, take care of your vagina every day. It should be a daily routine and not monthly or yearly. Your vagina is an amazing part of your body. It's an amazing part of your body and it contributes to your overall health. So, learn it, learn about it. Know when they're just trying to distract you. Filter information. Filter the things that you see online. There's so many distractions and so many noise online. Learn to filter information. Learn to read from reliable source. And most importantly, learn your body. Know your body. Very essential. Thank you so much for tuning in. And if you loved this video, kindly hit the subscribe button and give me a thumbs up. Also, you can leave me comments. Ask me any question you may have about your vagina. Thank you and see you in my next video. Bye.